in the water in the near the vicinity of the water bodies, like in ponds, lakes and all. So there what happens, some of these plants like lilies and all, they can't grow on the land. They have to grow in water. In that case, for them, the dispersal will be in the water. The seeds will be dispersed in water. It will float on water. It will go to another region. For example, mangroves, water lily and all. Yeah, also there is a special kind of called Ruella tuberosa. These are pods. Pods are nothing but like this. There will be a you have seen beans, right? So beans, inside that there will be seeds. Like that, pods are nothing but the structure kind of beans kind of structure. It has uh, uh, box kind inside which there are seeds. Okay, so in this, just if we put these pods into the water, then it will start dispersing. I will show you the video. See, in this case, once we put this tuberosa seeds into the water, it starts bursting out the seeds. This is the kind of dispersal in water.
I don't think we could see the video.
Video was not
It's
seen.
okay. No, we could. At least I couldn't see.
1 second. One.
I'll see if. Yeah, other people have also said they couldn't see.
Okay. One second.
Okay.
I'm sharing now.
Hmm.
Can it be seen?
No, it's just blank screen.
No. Blank screen.
It's okay. We can. Yeah, we can see now.
Oh, okay. 1 second. Now,
Yeah, when it is frozen,
can
but
it
we
be seen?
can see.
I froze it.
Yeah, just play it again.
Ah, can be seen?
Yes.
Oh. So next is dispersal by animals or birds or humans. In that case, what happens? You might have seen many birds. They'll eat the fruit, right? They'll start eating the fruit, but then like guava fruit and all, they'll eat half and they'll throw, right? And also the seeds. that's so hard in case of guava, it will not get digested in their body. So what happens when they excrete or when they droop, it will fall in some other region and the plant will grow. Also, for animals, there are many animals which have fur, like dog, no? Those some seeds will get stuck to the animal body, and while moving, it will transport to one place to another. See, for example, in this animation, the goat is there, so it is the seed is getting attached to its body, and while moving, it will fall somewhere else, and the dispersal will happen. So this is commonly found in blackberry, cherry, tomato, or apple plants. And also, the squirrels, they are the most helpful animal for the dispersal. What they'll do, they'll eat the nuts. Okay, by their droopings, there will be some growth of the plant. And also sometimes what happens, they'll store the food for the winter purpose. What they'll do, they'll collect these seeds. Okay, they'll bury under the soil and they forget often. So what happens, this buried seeds will grow into a new plant, and then thus the seed will get transported from one place to another. Next is explosion. In some cases, what happens, due to internal tension inside the fruit gets ripened and the seeds will get matured inside the fruit. Okay, due to internal tension, the fruit will fall from certain height. Okay, and the seeds will get uh, ruptured out, burst out. For example, here in the cucumber, it will happen. It will explode. The seeds get explode, and there will be dispersion. You might have seen this okra, that is lady's finger. There also the seed. If you have taken the inside, there will be seeds which are very big and tough seeds. Those get ruptured out by the uh, okra, that lady's finger. Okay. Next is by gravity. Seeds often fall due to force or gravity. They'll burst out, okay, leading to the dispersal. There will be long distance dispersal due to this method. In this method, next we see the dispersal pattern. See, we have done this rotocopter seed, paper fish and all, right. So we had observed that rotocopter is spinning around its axis, rotating around its axis, while the seed this paper fish, it's spinning, right. So in rotocopter, what happens, we have two portions. One is the propeller, one is the tail, correct. You can see here. See, in this case, the rotocopter one. So this has a tail and a propeller, right? So this, when we drop from certain height, the propeller will rotate as a fan and will reach the ground. It will travel certain distance while reaching the ground, correct? So we also have asked you the question, right? How do you change the direction of the rotation? See, there are flaps here. These are the flaps or the wings, you can call. This, if you keep this side, like this is your side, this is my side. So I'm folding this to your side and this to my side. If I rotate, it will turn in anti-clockwise. Whereas the ulta case, I've done this, I'm folding to my side and this one to yours. Okay. And then if I rotate, it will rotate clockwise. So this is how we can change the direction of the rotation. And thus this can go farther distance if the material is light. If we are doing in the hard material, then it cannot reach the farther distance. And also in case of paper fish, see how paper fish will look. Paper fish will be having the two cuts, right? And you are going to join them like this. Making a fish, correct? So if you keep one flap like this and another flap like this, it will rotate in one direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you make it ulta, here I've made it reverse. Then it will flow other way, clockwise. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions till now?
I don't see anything on the chat window. So you may continue.
Okay.
People may take up questions at the end of the session also.
Okay. Not coming. See, in this case, there is a fish here. This is our paper fish, for example. See, this is spinning. Correct? It is spinning along its axis and like this, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. This direction can be changed by changing the cut ends. Like we have to cut anyways diagonally opposite, but which diagonal opposite matters. Based on that, we can change the direction of the rotation. Okay. Next is distance traveled. As I said earlier, the light seeds will travel farther distance. Very little air is enough, or very little wind is enough for it to throw to longer distance. Whereas heavy seeds are there, they may require more air. Or in the places where there is not much air, the heavy seeds will not travel to the longer distance. It will fall close by to the parent plant. So distance travel does matters for the dispersal. Okay. And seed design also, as I mentioned earlier, there are many different designs. See, in our case only we have this rotocopter design and also the paperfish design, right? So in rotocopter the pattern is different, whereas in case of paperfish the pattern is different. It's because a different plant or different seed will have different mode of dispersal, also different different requirements for it to go. See, this is a maple plant seed. See, in this case, the seed has adapted itself to have wings. This wings will help it to fly for the further distance. And also, one parent in WhatsApp group had shared the acacia seed. Okay, I don't know whether she's here in the group in the webinar or not. But then, see here that seed is very light and it will travel in the little breeze also is enough for it to travel long distance. So and this is a interesting point. See, I was mentioning about the design of the seeds and all. See, the world's smallest seed is Ulfia. Okay, this Ulfia is very small. It is very you can see here. No, there are very small seeds. So these are grown in American countries. Here, this have to be dispersed. The place where it grows has a breeze will be so fast. These are just escaping the altitude. Like they'll go to the farthest distance, reach the farthest places. The heavy seed has adapted itself to travel by wind by having the wings. But these are small seeds, doesn't require a wing or something, so it can just travel like that without any modification in its design. It is traveling to the farther place. Whereas the heaviest seed, Syncoma, this is a seed name or a plant name. It has developed itself, or it has changed itself to have a wing so that it can travel in the air. So as we see, we have many different types of seeds. Like some pista and all have cover in it. Some coconuts are very hard, so it will fall from a certain height and it will break down to open. To grow and all. So these are different adaptations. These are different changes that seed has undergone, the different plant has undergone to save its generation and to grow as well. So next is weight of the seed. There are four different things I'll be explaining here. Four different pictures, right? So this, as I told you, is Calotropis. This has parachute kind of structure, white, hairy kind of structure. So small air is enough, a small breeze is enough for it to go to long distance. Whereas in case of water lily, the seeds are a bit heavier. What it will do, it will immerse itself in the water, and then it will just blow its seeds out in the water. So the force it blows, it will get transported to the farther distance. Similarly, in case of this seeds where it has spines, the so sharp spines, it will get attached to the fur of the animal. If an animal doesn't have fur or something, then it cannot travel. Without spines, it cannot attach to, because it cannot even travel with water or by air, because it has spines, it cannot travel. So it has to attach to the animal body, and then it has to travel. So all the three methods are there, but still some fruits are very heavy, like papaya and all. It cannot, the seed, how it can disperse? It cannot go by air, it cannot go by water, it cannot attach to the body of the animal. In that case, what it will just fall from certain height and expose its seeds to the environment, so that some seeds in that will grow into a plant. So what is the impact of this design on the dispersal? So in our case, it is the propeller length and the width, correct? So if we increase, there are four factors actually: propeller length and width, tail length or width.
Divya, is it okay to interrupt?
Uh-huh.
There have been, so
Time
there
is
are five questions which have got collected on the chat window.
okay.
While some questions can be taken at the end, uh, but some they may miss out the context otherwise. So first question Sana has asked is how does this fish spin? I think that's okay if you cover it when you are talking about the propeller length, etc. Then from Tulsi, there is a question that what is the difference between explosion and gravity? Like how can we differentiate whether the dispersal is explosion or gravity? And
Okay.
couple of things uh, you showed one slide which had the very light seeds and the heaviest seed. So
Uh,
Avi has asked you to repeat the name of that heaviest seed. In fact, Manas has also said what are the names of these seeds. So Manas, there are
okay.
multiple seeds which she has shown. I don't know if she can rename. She can name all of them, but at least couple of them which she named, she can repeat it.
Yeah, Ulfia is the lightest seed. Ulfia.
How do I spell that? Then I'll write it on the chat window for everyone's reference.
WOLFFIA.
WOLFFIA. That is the heaviest
Uh,
seed which you
smallest
have shown.
seed. Smallest seed.
Oh, that's the
Smallest.
smallest seed. And what's the name of the heaviest seed?
Syncoma.
How do I spell that?
Syncoma.
SYNCOMA.
COMA.
Okay, that is the heaviest seed. Okay.
Heaviest seed. And
Uh,
regarding how do we differentiate between explosion and gravity? See, in case of explosion, there is, in the cucumber thing I showed you, there is something, the stick kind of thing. 1 second, I'll go to that slide. See here in this case, there is this stick is there, right? The stick will be attached to this cucumber. Okay, because of the tension, it gets exploded. These two get separated, and thus the seeds are getting out. If it is attached, then there is no. If it is attached, then there is no point. There is exploding. Okay. And here there is no external stick or something that is attached to the seed. Here also see the two parts in the seed, it has closed like this, and then it will break open in the center and everything will get ruptured out.
So if I were to rephrase it, Divya, what you are saying is, in case the seed gets dispersed through gravity, because of the weight of the fruit, it will fall down, and once it
Uh-huh.
falls, it breaks and the seeds get spread. Whereas in case of
Right.
explosion, the seeds, the pods themselves are packed with the seeds, and because of that, the seeds
Mm.
themselves create so much tension that it breaks open and the seeds get
Pushes.
spread.
Yes. That may
Let-
happen inside the water as well. Like cucumber, that thing which I showed you, that is cucumber plant. Not our regular cucumber, it's a different one. So in this fish, it is spinning very slowly. It is actually happening. See, it is
Yeah,
spinning.
so
The
there
eye
are
was here, and then it's coming very fast. Hmm.
there are few more
So
questions, Divya. Maybe we can take them little later, but I'm reading them out for your reference. So Sana has also asked that isn't the dispersal of animals like eating the food and throwing away the seed or sending the
uh,
animal waste? So doesn't through
uh,
animals doesn't it spread through that method?
yeah, it will spread that method, but some of the seeds, not all. Like some seeds are very tough, that will not even break open when it falls from certain height. Like I said, the guava. In that case, the seeds are very small, but still they can be break open. So what this squirrels, birds, they will eat that. Even monkeys will eat that, and then in their droopings, it will come out. And while it comes out, it would have become soft, and then there is possibility of germination.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, continue, Divya. I think some questions can also be taken at the end. I'm noting them down. Yeah.
Okay. So here the fish. Okay. Again it went off. Sorry. Here the fish is actually spinning. See, you can see it is slow motion. It is spinning very slowly here. So this is how our paper fish actually spins. If you noticed if you have taken the video and noticed it's very slowly, it will do like this only. So if we have to change the direction, it is rotating from left to right, for example. If we have to change the direction from right to left, how do we do it? By changing the direction of the flaps.
Yeah, I think this you covered, Divya, so you can go
Yeah,
back to.
I am going. So this I covered. This is Ulfia and this is Syncoma. So this also I covered. So impact of the design on the dispersal. So in our case, what happens if we vary the propeller length and the width? So if we vary the propeller length to a large extent, I have done one. So in this case, I have used 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Our normal one was 15 centimeter, whereas this one was 20 centimeter. So it also increased its weight. Okay. The propeller length is around 8 centimeter here. Okay. Here it is 4 centimeter. I have doubled. So in this case, due to weight, it will take some time. Uh, I mean, it will not travel the long distance. It will fall faster. So there are four factors: the propeller length, width, tail length, or tail width. So if we increase the length, so distance covered will also, I mean, if we increase the length, distance covered will also be increased, propeller length. If we increase the tail length, the distance covered will decrease. Similarly, in case of paper fish as well, propeller length is nothing but this one. This is the propeller. These are the flaps we call behind one. So if we increase the length and the width, we are increasing one at a time, right? Not two things. If we increase the length, the distance traveled will be decreased, and if we decrease the length, distance traveled will also decrease. So actually, what are the factors here that is affecting? See, I have done all these experiments in indoor. So I have controlled air. I have not switched on the fan. I have taken like eight. I have kept the model at 8 feet and I have dropped it. So I have noted the time in seconds. I have done many. I have used the one quality of paper I've used or same, right? So same throughout. But when it comes to the when we do outside outdoor, all our observations may vary, because outdoor we might not have control over the wind that blows. So the impact that wind blows and the travel will change, the extend the um, model travel will change. Same thing with respect to nature as well. See, in nature there will be many sorry, there are many seats with parachute kind of design, but still not all seats with parachute design will travel 15 kilometers. No, some will travel to certain distance, some will just travel to one road or something like that. That is because of the wind, that factors that is affecting. Maybe the wind, maybe the seat size, maybe the nutrients that is there inside the seat, uh, the time at which it wants to disperse, and how many seed at once is dispersing. All the factors matters. So in this regard, in group also many we posted the question, right? Which one will fall faster, either rotocopter or pepperfish? Some have told rotocopter will reach the ground faster. When some told no, pepperfish will reach faster. So it is depending on when and where they have done the experiment. Maybe they have done outside outdoor, and some might have done indoor. Some might have taken the height difference. Some might have dispersed at different timing. When the air is not under control, they would have switched on the table fan or something like that. So all these things matters. Okay. So with respect to animal fur, as I said, with spine, it can travel to a longer distance. But without spine, also sometime there is possibility that the seeds can travel. How? Do you have any idea how it will happen? See, in animal fur case, what happens? Some of the animals, they have sticky fur. Okay, they have sticky kind of like gum kind of. When we touch it, it will be gum kind of. So that will help the seeds to stick on their body. In some other cases, what happens? Seeds will be sticky. If we touch the seed, it will be like very sticky, like as if we have dipped inside the gum. It will feel. So in that case also, they'll go and attach to the body of the animal, and it can transfer. It's not just the spine, but also other factors may influence it. So apart from this, there are other methods where that is called as shaking. This is in case of poppy seeds. So I have this.
Divya, a quick reminder of time. It's 5:40, so you'll
Okay,
have to wind up another couple of minutes.
okay. So in this case, see, I have kept the poppy seeds, the mustard seeds inside this. If I shake, all the mustard will come out. So same case here, it will happen. The seeds will be accumulated at the terminal position. When wind blows, the plant will bend and all the seeds get dispersed. Similarly, in case of hard, tough nuts, they'll drop down and they'll open their cover, and this being it cylindrical, this will go for the further distance, roll down and will go for further distance. uh, I have consolidated all the data here. This is taken as an average. Have done 3 trials for every dimensions. We have told you in observation table to try different, no, a rotocopter model and paperfish model. I have accumulated the data here. It's an average data. So the standard one may take that 30.2 distance, that centimeter. They have taken 2.45 seconds. Case of paper fish, it is 60.3. But if we change the dimensions, there is slight difference. We have to change it the dimensions to a larger extent, then we can get the maximum value. Whereas here we have changed it little, so the distance traveled is also affected. So this is the quiz. You can start
Yeah,
answering in the
just
chat
hold on.
box.
I'll start the poll so that they can respond on that. Just to add to the data which Divya was showing before, longer it takes for the seed to come down, more distance it travels. That's the value of recording that data. So I see that people have started responding on the chat window. So just hold on. I'm switching on the poll. So you have to respond on that. That way it gets recorded as well, and I'll also be able to show the result at the end. Okay. So are you able to see the poll? The first question. Can you click
What is
on
the
it
mode of
and respond?
me?
No, I'm asking the participants to respond to this. So Divya will continue
Oh,
to show the on the PPT, and I've launched the poll. You have to click on it to respond. Can you see the poll? Divya, are you able to see it?
yeah, I'm able to see.
I don't see people responding to it. Yeah, so Madhushree, you can see the poll. Can you also respond on it? That way we don't clutter the chat window with it, and also all this data gets recorded. Okay, Madhushree is saying she responded. You can proceed then. Divya.
I'll say the answer.
You can also see the answer. Yes, Avi is saying we can see the poll but cannot submit. One person, yeah. So Avi, you should be able to submit by just clicking on it. Yeah, I see that people have gone ahead and started responding to even future questions. Hold on, some of them
Okay.
may require seeing the photos. So Divya, you go ahead and start sharing.
Okay. What is the mode of dispersal in this case? See, it has parachute kind of structure. So the answer is not able to edit.
That's okay. You can speak out.
No, like wind. Okay, first answer. Next slide, I
Yes.
have to go.
Yes.
It's not go.
Oh, you are saying you are not able to change the
Go to
slide,
next
is it?
slide. I can do it now. Okay. So next, this is the picture. Seeds with spines are dispersed by. So this is the picture for that. Okay, air, gravity, animals, explosion. The third question, light-weighted seeds are dispersed. How they are dispersed? Okay. So this is the seed actually. The answer. So for second question, it's animal. For third question, it is far away from the plant, parent plant. Next, seeds with wings are easily dispersed through. So this is a seed with wings. There is wing. Okay. See, I explained about pod, like in case of beans or peas or some, etc. This is a pea plant. So it is telling I am a pod. How will I disperse my seeds? Hope you are answering it right.
Yes,
So we have
Divya,
asked this question. We have asked this question in WhatsApp group. So what is the purpose of spinning of a seed for a tree? What do you think? Travel further distance. So this question also is asked in WhatsApp group. So how these seeds are dispersed? To animals. So if squirrels eat acorn, how it will benefit the tree? Next, how to change the direction of rotation of the rotocopter that you have prepared. I think many of the parents and many students have tried this and they sent me the personal messages that they have got the answer, like changing the direction of the thing. So that's all. Any question?
I I think I'll end the poll here. The funny thing was the way Divya had made the slides, she kept saying the answer also. So some people could have uh, waited and responded after that. But anyways, the purpose was more to for you to revise what she covered. So as you can see, this is the response. Divya, are you able to see the response from people?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
Yeah, only thing is I don't understand why it says 100% have said wind when there are votes for water, gravity, and explosion.
Yeah.
Uh, for so maybe you keep clarifying. The first case was wind. Second, some people have said wind, gravity, and explosion as well. Seeds with
Mhm.
spines. Light-weighted seeds. So majority have always got it.
Correct.
Yeah. But for example, for the pod, some people, which may not be entirely incorrect also, right? Isn't it
Mhm.
that some of them may be eaten by the birds and they travel through that?
Correct.
But the main source of dispersal will be explosion for those pods which are filled with seeds. What is the purpose of spinning? Yes, it's not to clear dust from seed. If it spins, then it takes longer to come down, and it takes longer to come down, then it can travel farther. Oval
Nobody has
shape.
given to entertain the viewers.
If squirrels eat acorns, how does it benefit the tree? Yes, by dispersing, because they through the digestive system, and sometimes they hide it and forget. By eating insects on the leaves, by chasing away birds. That's not true. How do you change the direction? By changing the direction. So you reverse the flap as Divya had shown. So we can now take on the questions which have been posed on the. Yeah, Pro is saying virtually none of them add up to 100%. Yeah, yeah, funny. So Divya, maybe you can quickly cover some of the questions which we have missed out. So,
Okay. PowerPoint of this.
so there was one question on. I'm just going over so that I don't miss out anything. How does insectivorous plants disperse their seeds? This is from
Okay.
Niranjan. Uh, if you need clarification, we can bring him on mic because I didn't fully understand it. And
So
second
there are
question
some
from
plants.
Shrikant is how do little lily explode inside water? Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
There are some plants which eat insects. So they disperse usually through air most of the time. Uh, that's how, and some are self-pollinated. They don't have to disperse their seeds. The insects will come. They'll try to pollinate, and then the seeds will fall there itself. It will not go far away. So little lily explodes inside the water. See, little lily, it will push itself inside the water, and then the seeds are getting, it will go in water like that. So it will not by force or something. It will, what to say? Um, it will immerse itself inside the water, the flower, the fruit portion.
Uh,
Not, won't affect the
no, so there was one more question about water lily. You responded already, correct?
Is the fruit edible? Which fruit? I don't know which fruit
You
they're
don't know
talking.
which context was that. So who has asked that? Was it Sana?
Sana, huh?
Yeah, Sana, maybe you can clarify which fruit you were referring to. Then I think somebody has asked for, Varshini has asked the answer for question number 7. Can you go back to question 7? It looks like she missed it.
This one, animals.
No, question 7, question number 7.
7 only. Why do they?
Yeah, correct. Then how do they disperse? They disperse through animals because they have these nice spines. So though they are heavy, the animal fur on the body, they get stuck on that, and as the animals move around, the seeds also move with them. And Avi has asked, does the direction of seed affect the seed dispersal? It does not affect the seed dispersal. Since we made the model, we thought we will also try to understand the model. And this was one nice thing to observe, that the direction depends on the way the flaps have been placed. Varlakshmi has asked, in case of mango, few seeds will be spoiled, but the fruit will be good outside. So the seed may be spoiled inside, but the fruit may be good outside. How is that? And in some cases, like lotus seeds, we take how far it is good. I suppose, Varlakshmi, you mean eating lotus seeds, how far is that good?
Lotus seeds, I don't think so, because it is very hard, no?
Yeah, not sure I have understood the question, but even the mango question, if it is clear to you, then you can respond, Divya. Otherwise, I'll put her on mic.
Few seeds will be spoiled, it will be put out. See, the formation of fruit and seed is a big process, right? So there is a something called pollination, cross pollination happening, and during this case, when there is pollination and formation of fruit, that time only there is something called ovary and ovule in the plant, in the flower. Ovary develops into fruit, ovule develops into fruit, ovary becomes the seed pod. So in that case, during that case, if there are some fungus infection, or there may be some some insects present or in the larval stage or something, that time the insect happens to spoil the seeds. That's why outside it will look fine, but inside there will be a problem. I mean, it will spoil.
Yeah. Nice
I don't know.
question.
I explained it in
Yeah, basically you are
ovary,
saying,
ovule, and all.
Varlakshmi, did your question get answered?
No, I don't know how to put it in simple terms.
And
Like
lotus seeds,
there are two
I
parts.
don't understand. So just 1 minute, I'll put her on mic so that, but not clear. Just 1 minute. But Lakshmi, you can speak and clarify. Please share what you meant by the lotus.
Yeah, hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, that's what I have a doubt of that. When my daughter questioned me this thing, I was like unable to answer to this one. So I had a question that how was the seed being spoiled and how was the fruit not spoiled? And how can we intake with when the seed is spoiled and the fruit doesn't shows that spoiled nature?
Yeah, that's what.
The thing
See,
is
while
what you
forming
have
the,
explained is I'm not very clear of that because
because terms are more actually.
yeah,
So the
that's okay.
flower
You
you
could
have
just
seen.
explain me in a simple way, ma'am. That is fine.
Okay, flower you have seen, right?
Yeah,
See, in middle of the flower there will be some powdery stuff.
yeah,
If you
yeah.
have observed this
Pollens.
hibiscus and
Yeah.
all, in the stalk there will be pollens.
Okay.
Below the pollens in the hibiscus, if you see, the stalk has some powdery stuff which has pollen. Below
Okay.
that, below the stalk, a female part, female reproductive part. That will
Okay.
be the female part will be there. So what
Okay.
happens? There will be pollination. To form
Okay.
fruit, there should happen with male that stamens and also the female one. So when that pollination, that is called pollination. So when
Okay.
that happens, the fruit formation will happen.
Okay.
So like in case like embryo will be formed. Okay. In
Okay.
this case, it is fruit. Like in plants, it
Okay.
is fruit. So
Mhm.
inside the fruit, there will be some nutrition that should be developed fruit, right?
Okay.
So over the female will give rise to a fruit usually. So
Yeah.
there is two parts in the female uh,
Yeah.
plant. So
Okay.
one will give rise to the outer covering. One will give rise to the seed. Okay,
Okay.
this outer covering will be good always, but
Okay.
inside is the seed, right? That
Okay.
what is spoiled most of the time. What happens when there is fruit formation? Maybe some insects, some small insects or fungus. Okay, they'll come there. They land on the platform, on the female platform. Okay,
Okay.
so they land there and they eject their eggs, the
Okay.
insects or those things. So
Okay.
that will be larva and all those things. The insect would have kept the eggs and all. So that will also develop along with it. That will spoil the seed of the this mango. That will
Ma'am,
happen.
but how it will
Most
not
of the
affect the
time,
fruit, I'm asking, ma'am.
fruit is
Until
the upper portion. That's what I'm telling.
okay. Until unless we open that
Uh,
very hard shell or a hard layer of that mango seed,
correct,
till that
correct.
that
Yes,
spoiling nature will never come back. So
yes. That's why I
my
told
question is,
you
what is the
female.
perfect component which is like protecting the entire fruit? Can you just name it, ma'am? What will be the component or what will be the main form which will
See,
be like?
ovule will give rise to a seed. Okay, that is
Okay,
the female part which will give rise to a seed. Like a
okay,
female mother is giving rise to a baby, so same
mhm,
portion. This the seed will be a ovule part. Okay, which will develop from the female part. The outer
okay,
covering, the what you call it as the juicy part, that is
okay,
the ovary.
okay.
So
Fine.
that's why
Thanks, ma'am.
that
Thanks for the
juicy part will
clarification,
be.
ma'am. I have got a little bit. I got an idea about what you have said me. But nowadays we are like intaking that lotus seeds also, ma'am. We can see in most of the malls and most of the Spencers and all. Is that like okay to take?
I don't have any idea about it. Sorry. I'll let you know. I'll check and let you
Okay,
know. I
okay.
don't know
If
about
possible, I'll try to send the image of that in WhatsApp group, ma'am.
it.
If possible.
Okay. Okay. I
Okay.
don't know
Thank you.
about it. Sorry.
Okay.
No.
Thank you. Thank you.
But what is the concern, Varalakshmi, in eating those seeds?
So my
Because I
question
have
is,
also
seeds are
seen, I
like
think they are
whether
called mukna or
edible
something.
or not edible is my question. Later on, our food taking of food variations and whatever we intake is like getting changed. Before and all the rice varieties are also like seeds, right? We were not intaking that. Now so many new varieties of rices have come, and now they are like in our Ayurvedic ways. They are saying taking lotus seed will inhibit our antibiotic resistance a lot. So how does it will
Mm.
happen, and why not other seeds? And
Hmm.
that
Okay.
was my question.
And also the component of seed that matters because some
Yeah,
cases, some seeds have, like in case of insectivorous plants, they'll also produce seeds, but we can't eat those seeds. No, there will be some this which can kill the insect. That content will be there even in the seeds. The
Okay,
nutrient
because
part, everything.
when I was like very young, my grandmas used to say me that we are not like okay to take those seeds. But nowadays, so many like wherever I go to any Ayurvedic, they used to insist to give lotus this makana. Someone has given me here makana is rich in protein. They are like asking us to give it, and how it is like differentiated. And I have a question it always in my mind, so I just put it to you.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, so
I'll search and let you
Yeah,
know. Right.
thank
maybe
you.
we sure. So people on the chat window have also responded with their thoughts about consuming this. We can take a few more questions. What do you say about the plants growing without seeds?
Seedless.
Divya, you understand that question?
Yeah, plant growing without seeds. Then there are this hybrid varieties. No, in this case, what happens? They won't. I mean, the number of seeds will be reduced. For example, we have this hybrid papaya. Before and all, we used to get lot many seeds inside if we cut open papaya, but now we could see hardly one or two seeds in it. So that will definitely affect its the dispersal rate. And also, there are laboratory made seeds. Okay, they if we just plant it in the soil, it will come. Made this disease resistant variety, like that many varieties come up. So in those resistance varieties, the number of seeds will be less, but they can be consumed, however, just to increase the consume to increase the percentage of production. They have done like that. The bt cotton and all those cases, like in that, it's a different story.
Yeah, but I think Divya, this is also about vegetative propagation, right? So not everything will come from seeds.
That is also there, correct.
That was kind of
Thanks for
yeah,
reminding. Yeah,
yeah.
even
Especially the cases, yeah.
in case of onion.
Wherever, like Nidhi has asked again, that banana seed, why does banana seed grow from its branch and not the seed?
Yeah, vegetative propagation.
I suppose she means, why does banana plant grow from its branch and not the seed?
Correct.
Also, someone has asked about the way coconut seed gets dispersed.
Coconut
So there are
usually
two
dispersed
questions
through
related to that.
water.
Yeah.
Through water, also through gravity. It will fall down from such a height, and it will through water and also through gravity, which is near the water bodies. It will travel through water. When they are near this ground level, then they'll fall and they'll disperse.
Okay, that answers, Rupashri, that answers your question as well. She has asked, can coconut seeds also be dispersed by water? So yes. Nidhi has asked, how does the seed stick on the animals and not the leg?
No, everywhere it will
Not
stick.
sure I understood. Yeah.
Everywhere.
You,
All
you
I had a dog in my home. Whenever he used to go for walking, he used to get all this spiny structure on his ears, legs, everywhere. So we used to clean him every time we have to came out.
So Nidhi, basically they would sit on the ground or lie down, and that's when on the fur it will get stuck. I
Wherever
hope
the
we
fur is
understood your
there,
question. Yeah. There are a few more questions. Ma'am, is it
it is
possible to
about to
disperse the
be.
seeds artificially? Yeah,
Sorry,
there is a question. Is it possible to disperse the seeds artificially?
I don't know about it. I'll check and let you know. Maybe yes. We
No, I
grow
mean, the way humans are doing
seeds
is all
artificially
artificial
in labs.
dispersal, right?
If we if we take like that, yeah.
Some trees grow by vegetative propagation. That's right, Lakshmi. Do grasses also have seeds? How do weeds grow so fast?
Because of their germination rate. This see some seeds if we plant also, like in case of bamboo, we will plant, it will not come, it will not produce seeds for 4 5 years like that. But some cases it will, as soon as we sow the seeds, it will start germinating, producing, and also the life cycle also matters.
No, but this grass. So I think the question was, how does the grass grow? Does grass have seeds?
Yeah, there
And
will
how
be
do
some
they disperse? Yeah,
wind.
wind. Yeah, okay. And they are also lightweight. Do you know that, Divya?
Yeah, they are lightweight.
So, Rupashri, probably that also answers right, that. In fact, there is this very interesting story of the American corn. So, if you Google about it, because corn itself is treated like is considered as grass, and there were stories that there was wind in particular direction, which led to the large spread of corn. I'll probably share that article on the group. It's very interesting how the corn seeds got dispersed, and some people, because corn was a lot more resistant and dominant, so they were forced to grow the same plant, though they wanted to plant something else. Yes, artificial dispersal. Rajesh is saying farming is that. Other than natural way is obviously by humans and machines. Yes, of course, grasses have seeds. Pro is saying rice and wheat are the most famous grasses. Yes, grass has weeds probably. Okay. Any other question which we have missed out? I think somebody had also asked to share some examples of animal fur. Yeah, I think Shrikant has asked, can you please give example of animals whose fur carries seeds? One example may
I
be
know
sheep.
the name
Let us give
in
an example.
Kannada. Animals which carry seed, is it? Or seed name?
No, looks like animal's name because example he has given is sheep.
Sheep, dog, even cow. All.
Yeah, basically whatever will have a fur, thick enough fur will carry the seeds.
Okay.
Okay, if there are no more questions, then we can take a pause and
Yeah, I think we have done 1 hour, no, half 1 hour,
yeah.
more than half.
Okay, thank you everyone for joining.
Thank
We
you.
will end the call here and share the recording with you. Next week, next week's activity,
Goniometer.
next week's activity is goniometer. Please start working on it. One of the very interesting ones. Uh, Explore by measuring the flexibility of your body part, different joints, as well as people in your home. It's a lot of fun. Okay, thank you everyone. We'll end the call here. See you next week.
Thank you.
Thank you, Smita. Thank you, Sana. Bye. Thank you, Tulsi.